Hi there, my name's Jim Hassman. I'm the president and CRO of Blues Wireless, and I'm going to take you through a quick tour of our booth here at CES and show you what some of our customers have built using Blues's Notecard and Notehub technology. Follow me. Velvet Wire is a company that has built a tracking and monitoring solution specifically to track, in this case, vaccines. So as COVID came about, there were massive delays in the supply chain. These trackers were actually tracking vaccines around the world that would sometimes get held up at sea or in ports for up to 6 months. Intech is a company that has built over the years a demand response switch for utilities. Utilities will actually offer this program to their customers that on really hot days, they will curtail the demand on the power grid through these devices. And Intech has basically built a cellular-based control module inside their device to allow utilities to send a signal out that shuts down equipment and turns it back on these peak days for utilities. This customer is True Manufacturing. If you've been into a Target or a Costco, a Walmart, you see the long strips of refrigerators. That's probably a True Manufacturing cooler or refrigerator. And inside this cooler is a device they built using Blues that captures data from thermistors throughout the device, the compressor inside the machine, and also as you open and close the door, it's sending all of that data to the cloud over cellular using Blues. They're one of our largest customers and are in a massive scale-out mode. So the next time you go to the store, see the label True, you'll know that Blues is inside of that product. This is Resi. They have a smart connected trash can. This use case is pretty simple to understand. They basically have weight sensors inside the can or on the bottom, depending on what's going into the can itself, that's passing that data to the waste management company so they know what's in it and when to pick the trash or the refuse up. All right, well, thank you for walking through the booth with us. If you're interested in learning more, go to blues.io. And if you're curious about connecting a product to the cloud, you can buy a development kit right off the website. Try it out. It shouldn't take you more than an hour. Thanks so much for walking through this with us.